Okay, welcome back. After connecting our device, let me quickly go through the dashboard so that you can understand what you can see on your QuilChat WhatsApp platform dashboard. The dashboard is going to show you like this, and you're going to have the analytics of your device, the device connected, the total messages you've sent, your pending schedules, and also the total number of contacts you've saved. Also, you're going to have your transaction and automatic replies. This is the messages you've sent, the automatic replies, and everything. You're going to also have your device, the number of devices that you have connected, and also the messages they've sent. And then you're going to have the message. All these are graphical in nature and it's very simple and straightforward. It's going to show you what you need to have on your platform. So the next thing is to quickly run through the menu. We have my device. My device is where you connect your device. You can create a new device, connect it, and easy to go. Then you have a single send. A single send means you can send a message to just a single user, and under your single send you have different functions. You have text, plain text, text with media, with button, list, and location. And if you are using send with button, please don't forget that this only works for iOS and web. That is WhatsApp web or WhatsApp on iPhone. The same thing with list message. This also works only on iOS and on WhatsApp web. So if you go further, you have your chatbot auto reply. Here is where you can create your auto reply. If you click on create a reply, it's going to ask you what's the keyword. Once someone send this keyword to you, once someone send a keyword to the device that you choose here, and then is the message going to be a template or a what is it called? Is it going to be a template or a plain text? A template means a predefined messages that you've already saved. You will still get to where you're going to create template, but you can select plain text. And do you want it to be a whole word, which means if your keyword is welcome, when someone send welcome, you're going to receive such a reply. Or you want it to be a similar word, something like if someone says you are welcome, because welcome is among the keyword, you're going to get a reply. It depends on which one you select and you create now. So we'll go straight to my apps. My apps is where you're going to create an app where you can connect to another software. For example, if you want to connect to your WordPress, you want to connect to your Zapier, you want to connect to any other platform, maybe you want to connect it to your um Google spreadsheet or anything. This is where you're going to create an app and you're going to get your API, which you're going to use to connect easily. Then you have contact books. Contact books, this is where you create a contact that you keep on sending messages to. You can create a contact by individual by writing their name and everything, and also you can import by clicking on import contact. But for you to import contact, you firstly need to create a contact group. That is to group your contact in a way that it will be easier for you to upload your contact into. So if you are a digital marketer, you can just say maybe you're selling shoe. You can say shoe customers, and then you create and you go back to your contact, and then you add import contact. And for you to import contact, please, you have to firstly download this sample and use it to understand how what you're going to upload will look like. So after that, you're going to have your contact. Then the next one is my template. My template, like I said earlier, is a predefined function where you can create a message that you'll be using to reply people once and all. So here you can use shortcodes, you can use any of these. It depends on what you're sending and who you're sending it to. And also you give it a name, you write your message, and you save the template. And you can also do the same thing with the button, the list, and location. For example, if you are organizing a program and you want people to get the location by just sending maybe address or location to your WhatsApp contacts, you can use this function. Then when it comes to the bulk message, this is where you can send a bulk message to people. You can send a bulk message and by typing and pasting their contact, which is very easy. And also you can do that by going to send with a template, which means you have to firstly select a contact that you've created earlier and a template that you've created earlier. Then you have the schedule here. Under your schedule, this is where you can schedule a message. For example, if you want your promo to go live maybe on the eve of Valentine, you can come here and create a schedule. When you create a schedule, you set the time, you set the name, the receive group, that's the contact group that you want the message to be sent to, the type of message, the time you want it, and you select the time zone. Please, you have to select the time zone so that the message will go at the exact time that you want it to go. And don't forget, you can mention the person's name. This will show the name that you save the person's contact with, which is very easy and straightforward. Then you have your message log. This is where you're going to see all the messages you've sent, which one was the last message, which will help you to track messages you sent and for you to know if there is a reason for you to resend any message. And also the same thing with your webhook. This one is where you're going to see the log of your webhook and everything. Going further, you can come here to subscribe. If you want to subscribe to any of the package, you can select the package you want. And also you can create a ticket by going to help and support by creating a support request. In case you're having any challenge on the platform, just come here, do your create your support ticket and send. The customer service will definitely answer you. Then another thing again that you need to check is your profile setting. Under your profile setting, it's easier for you to edit your profile and update your profile. In case you want to rename, you want to change your password. In case you want to change your name, your email address, and add your phone number and everything, which is very easy and straightforward. And now we have the authentication key. This is part of the keys that you're going to use when you're connecting your QuilChat WhatsApp to a third-party application. So after this, we'll be going to the next video where I'll be showing you how to create a chatbot and how to test it out to see how this works. See you there. Bye.